Linux Mint 22.1 Xia is here. This exciting release brings updates, enhancements, and security fixes, all with support guaranteed until 2029. If you're ready to experience it, you can download it today. Let's dive into what's new. The beta version landed just last month, in December, and now we have the stable release. Pretty fast, right? Linux Mint 22.1 is based on Ubuntu 24.04 LTS and the Linux kernel 6.8, which means it inherits long-term stability and regular updates from Canonical's support framework. Under the hood, big changes are happening. The Linux Mint team has modernized apt dependencies with a thorough review to streamline package management. This includes replacing the aptdaemon component with Aptkit, while the graphical installer has been upgraded to Captain. But don't worry, if you're used to installing packages through the terminal or downloaded files, the process remains the same. What's new is the infrastructure. Now it's faster, more reliable, and better suited for the future. This overhaul also tackles persistent bugs and localization issues, while improving compatibility with Wayland, the next-generation desktop compositor. Linux Mint is striking a balance between enhancing traditional package management and supporting modern formats like Flatpak and Snap, ensuring flexibility for all users. Power modes get an upgrade. Now you can choose between 3 modes: Power Saver mode to extend battery life, Balanced mode to optimize performance based on your current needs, and for select PCs, Performance mode to push your hardware to its limits. These settings are easily accessible through the Power applet or in the Preferences panel under Power Management. That's not all. A new default theme refreshes the look of Linux Mint. Nightlight now comes built-in, replacing Redshift, which wasn't compatible with Wayland. General tweaks enhance the Cinnamon desktop environment, making it even smoother to use. Ready to try it? You can download Linux Mint 22.1 via official mirrors or torrents. If you're already using Linux Mint, the update will be available soon. As for system requirements, all you need is a 64-bit x86 PC, 2 GB of RAM, but 4 GB is recommended, 20 GB of disk space, and a screen resolution of 1024 by 768 or higher. Linux Mint 22.1 Xia is a solid update designed to keep things running smoothly for years to come. Whether you're a seasoned user or just curious about Linux, this is a release worth checking out.